We have learnt about congruency. When two objects are congruent, their shape and size is same. Can we not use this as the only criteria for congruency? Why do we need additional criteria? Let's consider two cuboids. What can we say about these two cuboids? Are they congruent? How can we decide? All of us can agree that their shapes are same. It is clear that both are cuboidal in shape. Can we agree that their sizes are same too? Maybe yes, maybe not. If you look at both the cuboids carefully, the lower cuboid, that means this cuboid, appears to be slightly larger. When we cannot make out whether the sizes of two objects are same or different, like as is the case here, then we should have a criteria for deciding whether the sizes of the object are same or not. Sizes of these cuboids will be same when their dimensions are same. Therefore, we decide the criteria of congruence of cuboids on the basis of their dimensions. What kind of measurements or dimensions determine the size of a cuboid? Is length, breadth and height enough? Or can we say just the volume or its surface area? Could it be the length of diagonals? Could it be the measure of angles? Should we say the faces of the cuboid must be parallel? Now let's look at the sufficiency. Points 4 and 5 are properties related to shape. Since the shape is given to be cuboid, we do not have to consider them again. Points 1 and 3 are derived quantities from dimensions, length, breadth and height. Therefore, dimensions being the same for the two cuboids is the sufficient condition for us to determine the congruency of two cuboids. Let's now see what are the necessary conditions for knowing the congruence of two cuboids. Do we need all three dimensions? What if we know only length and height of the two cuboids? Can we say anything about their congruence? Consider this. We gave an order to a company to make two boxes. The length equal to 50 cm and height equal to 20 cm. Can we guarantee that the boxes that company makes will be congruent? Well, they may or may not be congruent. Therefore, for concluding that two boxes are congruent or not, the necessary condition is that we must know its three dimensions, without which we cannot say. The sufficient condition is the three dimensions of the box. We do not need any more information. The necessary and sufficient condition helps us to minimize the information required for determining if two objects are congruent or not.